First, we are going to open Google Chrome. And this is my Google Chrome. And now we are going to open Google Sheet. Simply search here and then click on this Google Sheet. Okay. So right here you can see this is my sample Google Sheet. This is student details. And here you can see these are the things are available. Okay. So here we are going to remove duplicate rows. Okay. So let's get started how you can do that. Okay. So here first we are going to select that table where we want to remove the duplicate records. So here first you select the records and then click on data from the menu. Here you can see that this is data, and now we are going to click on data cleanup option. Okay, so we are going to find out data cleanup over here. Okay, so here this is the range and all things you can see over here. Now we are going to click on this data cleanup option, and then you can select here duplicates. Okay, remove duplicates. You simply click on it, and here you will see this is the selection option. You can uncheck if you not want, and if all things is fine you can simply select all the things and then click remove duplicate. So friend, you can see that here 3 duplicates rows are find out and that removed. Only 6 unique rows are remain. Okay, so I hope friend this video helped you. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.